Welcome to The Explainer. We're diving straight in today. If you've ever wanted to know exactly how the aviation industry takes complete novices and rapidly transforms them into the precision experts who literally build and repair our aircraft, well, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're breaking down the intensive aircraft structures assembly and repair technician pathway.
Think about it for a second. What does it actually take to keep thousands of pounds of complex aerospace engineering safely up in the sky? It's a massive question. And the answer isn't just about having some brilliant design on a computer screen somewhere. It comes down to absolute, literal precision on the ground. We are talking about an environment where a single millimeter off can change everything.
So, how do we fill the critical need for those skilled hands? It happens fast. This training pathway is built on a highly concentrated 12 to 20-week timeline. We're looking at anywhere from 300 to 600 instructional hours packed into just a few short months. It requires intense focus to master these complex structural skills that quickly, but it absolutely works.
Let's define exactly what we're talking about here. An aircraft structures assembly and repair technician is an entry-level professional, and they are fully responsible for precision assembly, structural integrity, and repair. You'll find these folks right on the floor in aerospace manufacturing, as well as in MRO, which stands for maintenance, repair, and overhaul environments. They are the exact solution to the industry's massive demand for highly skilled labor.
Section 1. Mastering Core Technical Skills. The sheer level of exactness required in this program is just fascinating. Technicians learn to expertly handle riveting and fastening, mastering both solid and blind rivets. They dive deep into drilling and hole preparation, ensuring perfect countersinking and deburring every single time. And when it comes to sheet metal fabrication, they don't just bend metal, they calculate complex geometry. They're utilizing formulas like the K-factor and accounting for materials spring back to achieve absolute structural perfection. It's like a giant, high-stakes puzzle. You obviously can't do this by just reading a textbook, right? The training is heavily equipment-driven. You are mastering rivet guns, bucking bars, and pneumatic drills. You learn to use clecos, which are these incredibly clever temporary fasteners that hold panels perfectly aligned alongside highly precise calipers, micrometers, and sealant tools. It is entirely 100% hands-on. Let's walk through what a daily task actually looks like step by step. First up, you interpret complex aerospace blueprints and GD&T, that's geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. Second, you meticulously prepare and drill your holes. Third, you install the fasteners. And finally, you inspect the quality and document your work for total traceability. That documentation step is absolutely crucial. Section 2. The duality of the job. Here's the thing about aerospace. Technical ability alone is never enough. You have to balance those hard technical competencies, like applying exact torque specifications or operating pneumatic tools safely, with what the industry calls durable skills. We're talking about an uncompromising safety mindset, a strict quality-first approach, and total documentation accuracy. And then there's FOD prevention. For those new to the field, FOD stands for foreign object debris. It means keeping the workspace completely clear of stray materials, because a single dropped screw can literally cause billions of dollars in aircraft damage annually. No joke. Section 3. Future aerospace career opportunities. So, what's the payoff for all this intense training? Graduates walk away with some incredibly valuable industry exposure. They are armed with OSHA certifications and crucial FAA awareness, specifically Parts 43 and 65, which strictly govern maintenance, rebuilding, and certification rules. Combine that with exposure to elite standards like the AS9100, Quality Management System, and Root Cause Corrective Action, and, well, these credentials immediately signal absolute workplace readiness to any employer. And because of those credentials, the doors just swing wide open. Major employers have an incredibly diverse array of roles waiting for these graduates. This training opens pathways evenly across the board, whether you're interested in subassembly fabrication, tooling support, direct aerospace manufacturing, composite manufacturing, or keeping the planes flying in aircraft maintenance. The options are remarkably varied. Which leaves us with one final provocative question. Knowing the intense precision, the specialized tools, and the absolutely vital importance of this role, are you ready to build the future of flight? Thanks for tuning in to this explainer. I hope this sparked your curiosity about the incredible, high-stakes world of aerospace manufacturing.